Some advice I would have for any industry peer on who's never actually pen tested before, I would highly suggest to utilize Cobalt as their partner in order to enable them to get results immediately and have a report to be able to make business decisions based on whatever was provided. My name is Jeremy Galindo. I work for Datto and I am the offensive security manager. We're a cybersecurity company and we focus a lot on protecting our managed service providers and making sure that they're secure as well as our own company is. We needed to understand the overall security posture of the company and start to drive changes in the business based on our findings. And that allowed us to drive more investment into the product teams and to just overall start building things more securely. Why we decided to select Cobalt was we had a few other companies that we tested first, mainly for compliance related reasons, and decided to kind of switch out the pen testing companies every single year, realizing that we were going to get new pen testers every single time. Once we chose Cobalt, we realized that they had a pool of pen testers that could be changed for every single pen test, which allowed us to get different view sets on every single time that we were trying to test an application. Cobalt really has helped Datto just become this juggernaut of a security company that we are. And how they've kind of helped us is really by enabling the rest of our security team to focus on other issues outside of the standard compliance pen testing, as well as what we would call as agile pen testing. How I see Datto's pen test program evolving by using agile pen testing, we will be able to schedule more pen tests and allow ourselves to only look at the delta between the last pen test that was done and the newer pen test that would then occur. This then gives us a better idea of what has already been tested, and then to only focus on some more of those newer portions instead of always potentially going to the same places that may not have changed over the course of a year or 6 months or 3 months. So they've just enabled us to be able to do a lot more things that we might deem more interesting or more important.